MLS Online Virtual Classroom. It's grade 4 Computers, chapter number 1, History of the Computer, page number 7 and 8. Objectives. Dear students, in today's lesson we are going to study about following: tabulating machine, Mark 1, ENIAC, ETSAC, and IBM PC. First we will study about tabulating machine. Dr. Herman Hollerith developed a fast counting machine called the tabulating machine. It used the method of card punching for storing data. It used the method of card punching for storing data. This machine was used for storing and recalling data for many years. Here you can see the picture of the tabulating machine. Let's study about Mark 1. Dear students, in 1941, Professor Howard Aiken designed a computer with engineers of a company called IBM. IBM stands for International Business Machine. Now, what IBM stands for? IBM stands for International Business Machine. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication. Here you can see the picture of Mark 1. Mark 1 computer was named as Mark. This computer was named as Mark 1. Mark 1 was also known as the Automatic Sequence Control Computer, ASCC. Yes, Mark 1 was also known as Automatic Sequence Control Computer. ASCC is the abbreviation of Automatic Sequence Control Computer. ENIAC. ENIAC was designed by Eckert and Mauchly in 1946. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numerical Integrator and Calculator. What ENIAC stands for? ENIAC stands for Electronic, E, Electronic, and Numerical, I, Integrator, A, and C, Calculator. It could perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and could perform 5,000 additions in a second. Now, which machines perform 5,000 additions in a second? ENIAC. Here you can see the picture of ENIAC. Now let's study about ETSAC. John von Neumann developed a computer which can store data and programs too. This was smaller in size and faster than ENIAC. The size of ENIAC was bigger, but the size of ETSAC was smaller and it's faster than ENIAC. ETSAC stands for Electronic Delay Automatic Computer. Here you can see the picture of ETSAC. Now let's study about IBM PC. Dear students, in 1981, William C. Lowe developed a computer for IBM. This was called as the Personal Computers or PC. This has become the most popular type of computers used today. Yes, the computers which we are using today are IBM PCs, personal computers. Here you can see. Now it's quiz time. Are you ready? Okay, my first question is, which machine was used to store and recall data? Very good, tabulating machine. My second question is, when the IBM computer was developed? Well done, it was developed in 1981. My third question is, which machine could perform 5,000 additions in a second? Well done, ENIAC. Excellent, dear students. Okay, now note down your homework. What you have to do, you will do the reading of page number 7 and 8 of chapter number 1. Thank you. Take care.